a red-bellied woodpecker. Hiking at Jefferson Memorial Forest. It's Wednesday morning, and it's a fantastic morning. A little warmer than I like it, but there's a nice breeze. This time of year I like it in the 30s and 40s, and right now it's in the high 50s. Trails are in excellent shape this morning. This is the Mitchell Hill Lake Trail. Once I get to trail marker H15, I'm going to hike down to Mitchell Hill Lake. I'm approaching trail marker H15. Going to hike down to Mitchell Hill Lake, and I hope something's in the lake this morning, like geese or ducks. I'm at Mitchell Hill Lake. Nothing going on at the lake this morning. No ducks or geese. Don't see any deer running around. I did see one deer this morning when I first started hiking. It ran down the hill. I wasn't fast enough with my camera. There's a pretty good view from this spot. I see downtown Louisville from here. I'm finishing up in what has been so far an uneventful hike, but it's been a very enjoyable hike. There's another one of those pregnant trees. There's the ugly airport. Some of that noise pollution flying overhead. I'm back at the Welcome Center. I'm going to head on home.